Dogechain all set to burn 80% of DC total supply. Let's see what happens with this down the road. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you watching the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Now, an ongoing proposal to burn 80% of the Dogechain DC total supply has reached its threshold. The team behind the project noted in the announcement. Now, the proposal to burn 80% of the total token supply was created on October 23rd, 2022, 3 a.m. UTC time. Now, so far, participants in the exercise largely opt in favor of the burn initiative. 99.98% of the total votes, representing this amount of DC or Dogechain, voted to support the proposal to burn 80% of the total supply. Now, this is the threshold reached. The voting continues to October 28th. Exciting update, friends. We'll see. The vote threshold to burn 80% of the total supply of DC token has been reached. So we'll see what happens with this. Now, although the voting has reached its threshold, the Dogechain team still asks the community to continue voting up until October 28th. But the more the merrier. So they want to burn a lot. We'll see what happens with the price and also with the project as well. Now, according to the information on the Dogechain governance platform, the proposal seeks to reduce the total supply of DC by 80% throughout the all allocation. Furthermore, the proposal also seeks feedback on whether the vesting period of the remaining early shops airdrops should be reduced from 46 to 6 months. So far, the majority of the votes are in favor of both proposals. The Dogechain team is expected to decide on the next steps once voting ends. So we'll see what happens with this. 80% of the total supply will be a massive supply reduction, without a doubt. Push the token price to new highs. Just like I said here, push the token prices to new highs. So we'll see what happens with the project, with the 80% of DC total supply to be reduced. We'll see what happens down the road. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you're watching the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.